Today, I'm going to show you how you can reset a self-adjusting clutch. So how are we going to go about to reset a adjustable clutch like this? Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to put this into a press, and you need to support the bottom side of the clutch properly. And most ideally would be within the flywheel, so it's supported from all sides, but I've got some support on either side to make it steady. Second thing you need is something in the middle to properly fit where the thrust bearing would normally push on the fingers of the clutch. In my case, this would be a big socket, but you can use whatever you've got that's the appropriate size to press down all the fingers. Okay, so once you've got that in place, we are going to jack the press or suppress the press basically. Press it down so the fingers are being suppressed like that. Nice and down. And once that happens, you'll see that these little springs or the adjusters all around, they will become loose and you will be able to press them back into place where they should be. If they don't press all the way back, you need to suppress the fingers of the clutch a bit more. So let's suppress them more, as far as they would naturally go. Be careful not to bend them too far or to press them too far so that they collapse. Once they are pressed far enough, you can push back those little levers with the springs on the side. So let's give that a try. There you'll see. And if you push one back, you'll see that all the others compress as well, like that. So let's just push it back all the way. Be sure to have a nice big screwdriver to put it in place. And once they're compressed all the way back, while keeping it there, you decompress or you let go of the press. Some of my fingers let go there as well. Nice and steadily let it go all the way up. And if you remove this, you'll see that little springs are now compressed all the way where they should be in their original position. Let's get a little bit of a closer view there. And you'll see all three of those little springs are compressed back into place. And this adjustable clutch is now reset, ready to be reinstalled. This is obviously if it has not been damaged yet. But normally if you only want to replace a clutch, this is all you have to do to get it reset without having to take it to a professional and pay money for it. If you do have access to one of these presses, that's brilliant. If you don't, maybe you know someone with one and you can maybe borrow this. This doesn't take long at all. You merely set it down, you press it down and you reset these little springs, and that is basically it. So if you do like this video and you would like to see more of this type of video, let me know in the comments below, and also be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. If you do wish to support the channel, be sure to have a look at the super thanks icon down below. Until next time, thank you very much guys.